Students of 7th class, this is Asif, your mathematics teacher from Modern International School, Hiswa. So friends, in this video lecture we will revise the chapter 4 exercise 4e and the chapter name, exercise 4f, and the chapter name is rational numbers. So here friends, 4f, exercise 4f, this is for only revision, and I know that you all are conversant about all the terms related to rational numbers and the questions from exercise as well. So even today's session is only for revision. So friends, let's get started, and we will take the questions from exercise 4e. And now the first question says, friends, if you look at your book, find the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of each of the following. First, we will once again to make understand what about the multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse, friends. Multiplicative inverse, let us figure out with the help of example. Suppose one number 2 is given. Now we have to find the multiplicative inverse of 2. Now we have to look for the number after multiplying with 2 will get the number. Sorry for inconvenience, friends. Now see, multiplicative inverse or the reciprocal of a number. Suppose 2 is a given number. Now we will look for such numbers after multiplying with 2 will get 1. Hence we can say the product of any two numbers is 1. Then each product is the reciprocal of the other. Okay, now see, if we 2 multiply by 1 by 2, then you will get 2 will get cancelled, is 1. So we can say the 2 is the reciprocal of 1 by 2, or 2 is the multiplicative inverse of 1 by 2, and vice versa. Vice versa means 1 by 2 is also reciprocal of 2, or 1 by 2 is also. So now see, friends, you can solve the question number 1 is very easy. So we will take the next question. Now see, friends, question number 4 says, divide the sum of 65 by 12 and 8 by 3 by their difference. So see, friends, solution very simple, and you have already aware, and you had already solved question. Even try to solve. Divide the sum of these two numbers by their difference, means इन दोनों का सम करके इनके डिफरेंस से डिवाइड करना है. मीन्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन 65 डिवाइडेड बाई 12 प्लस 8 by 3 and the whole divided by their difference, friends. Actually we have to understand the question because the answer is hidden in the questions. If you have grasped once, then you can easily solve the sum and the differences. Very simple. The first number minus second number. The first is here. This is 1. Now solve the, friends. Actually take the LCM of denominators. This is 12 LCM, and now divide this 12 by 12. 1 multiply by 65, and 65 1 just 65, friends. This is plus and now this 12 is divided by 3, 4 multiply by 8, 8 4 ja 32 friends. Now the division sign here, solve this sum here friends, take the LCM, 12 is LCM. Now divide this 12 by this 12, 1 multiply by 65, 65 1 ja 65 minus now this 12 is divided by this 3, 3 4 ja 12, 4 multiply by 8, this is 32. Now see friends, first add the values, 5 plus 2 7 and 6 plus 3, this is 9 divided by 12. Now divide. Now see friends, this is 12 as it is in denominator. Now 65 minus 32 means 5 minus 2, this is 3, and 6 minus 3 is this 3. So friends, now if we change this operation as multiplication, now friends we have to write the reciprocal of this number. So the reciprocal of this number is 12 by additive inverse, sorry, multiplicative inverse, sorry, 12 is up and 33 is downwards, remember friends. So friends, this will get cancelled one time, 97 divided by 3. So now friends, this is a final answer. Now we will collect the next question. Now friends, see the question number 9 says the product of two rational numbers is minus 16 by 9. If one of the numbers is minus 4 by 3, find the other number. Very simple friends. Now we will make very easier. We will make very easy this question. Now we are going to make easy this question. How? If we change this value as suppose 10 and this suppose 5 friends. Now we are going to read the question. Look at the friends. If you once will grasp the concept, there is no problem at all. Such type of questions or even different type of questions, if you have gotten the theme. See friends, the product of two rational numbers suppose is 10. If one of the numbers is 5, find the other friends. So the product, even you can easily raise the answer, yes yes, the other number is 2. Why? Because 5 multiplied by 2, and you will say 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. But no friend, this is not the exact concept. The concept is this 10 is divided by 4, then we will get 2. Remember friends, the product of two numbers is 10. Suppose the one number is here and another number is here, and the product of two numbers is here. Even one of the numbers is given 5, then other is, and you will say 2. Why? Because, and you will reply as 5 multiplied by 2 becomes 10. But this is not the exact. The concept is 10 divided by 5 friends, 10 divided by 5, then you will get 2. Okay, so the same questions is here. If the product of two rational number is minus 16 by 9, if one of the numbers is minus 4 by 3, find the other. Very simple question. Write the solution. I hope you will understand. According to the question friends, direct first let consider, let the other number is equal to x. Now according to the question friends, here is the product of one numbers and the other numbers is equal to 10. So the product of one of the product number is minus 16 by 9. This will take. Okay, or one of the numbers is minus 4 by 3. Suppose minus 4 by 3, either this or this. Minus 4 by 3 is given. Okay, here is the minus 4 by 3, and now the required number is x. So we will find this x. This x is equal to minus 16 divided by 9, and the whole divided by minus 4 by 3 friends. Because here x multiply by here, if it multiply here, then if you will go to the right hand side as in denominator position. Okay, now see friends, you can solve this. X is equal to minus 16 by 9. Change the sign of this operation. Now write this 3 by minus 4 friends. Now this minus minus will get cancelled. 4 1 ja and 4 4 ja. 3 1 ja friends and 3 3 ja. So x is equal to up is 4 and downward is 3. This is your answer friends. Or now check is it correct or not. Now the product of two numbers, this number and the other numbers, and we will see this number. Now see friends, this is the this and this is 4 by 3. If you multiply friend, this is minus 16 and 3 3 is 9. Numerator multiply by numerator and denominator multiply by denominator, and minus 16 by 9, hence proved. And so our answer is correct friends, 4 by 3. I hope friends you can easily solve all the sums. So because we all are aware or conversant about all the questions, so friends you can easily solve the sum. Now see friend, last question 12 says how many pieces each of length 3 and 3 by 4 meter can be cut from a rope of length 30 meter. Now see friend, the solution is here. First of all, to mark the rope, take the rope. So this is the rope, and the length of this rope is friends, what the length it is, this is 30 meter. Okay, now see friends, total length is 30 meter. Now each, and we will make the pieces, of this ropes in, but how many pieces do we require? How many pieces? We have to find the number of pieces, so that we have to find the number of pieces, and each piece is 3 and 3 by 4. Means suppose this is a 3 and 3 by 4, suppose 3 and 3 by 4. Once again this is 3 and 3 by 4 friends. Remember friends, see 3 and 3 by 4. But how many pieces? Suppose number of pieces, suppose number of pieces of a rope is x or n, maybe n or x, n for number n. Okay, now look at the friends, we don't know how many pieces it going to cut on, we don't know, but one thing is know that 3 and 3 by 4 is the each piece is 3 by 4. Suppose this is the, suppose each piece is suppose the length of each piece is 2, and it is total number of pieces is 5 friends. Suppose total number of pieces 5, then 2 plus 2 plus 2, 5 to 5 times, that means 2 multiplied by 5. If the number of pieces is multiplied by each piece, then we will get the total length of the rope friends. So now we are going to say here that the number of pieces is of this rope is n, and the length of each piece is 3 and 3 by 4. Now according to the question friends, if you multiply number of pieces with 3 and 3 by 4 means each piece, then we will get the total length of this rope. So this is why we can write here n multiply by 3 and 3 by 4 friends, remember, and this is equal to total length of the rope. But look at the friends, this is the mixed fraction, we have to change this into improper fraction. This is n. Now multiply 4 3 ja 12 plus 3 15, 15 by 4 friends is equal to 30. And remember friends, here have a look, this is the multiply, we have to find the n over here. Okay, now this is as it is. Now we will bring this 15 by 4 to the right hand side, and remember from this is here in the left hand side, this is a sitting as a multiplicative form with n. So if we bring right hand side in the form of, and this will change in the form of numerator, means division form. Remember friends, 15 by 4. इसको जब उधर आप लेके जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो उधर जाने के बाद ये क्या हो जाएगा, इसके साथ डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, मल्टीप्लाई विल गो एज डिवाइड. ओके, नाउ दिस इज 3 एज इट इज फ्रेंड्स. और इसे सोल्व करने के लिए अगर इसको आप चेंज करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई में, और आप जानते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज द जस्ट वाइस वर्सा ऑफ डिवीजन. If we change the division as multiplication, then we will change this value, means reciprocal of this number. So this is 4 by 15 friends, remember. So friends, we can 5 1 ja 5 one time and 5 2 ja 32 time. Okay, so n is equal to friends 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 4 friends, n is equal to 8 meter. Remember friends, sorry, no meter. N is equal to 8. So number of pieces 8. So that means we can say, hence the rope of the length 30 meter will get pieces into pieces as 8 number of pieces. How many pieces? 8 pieces. मीन्स को एक बार 8 पीस कर सकते हैं. और each पीस की लेंथ कितनी रहेगी? पीस की लेंथ 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, I hope this is answered. And you remember friends, you revise all the exercise 4E including all the questions as well as examples and their all the points. Okay, your homework is revise or solve. To solve exercise 4E, if you solved earlier, no matter, even you have to solve all the questions. Okay, so have a nice day. If you have any doubt,